Hey guys, it's Karen. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing for an Aliexpress company called Gem Beauty. I ordered 3 bundles from them. I ordered 3 bundles of their 14-inch. I believe I ordered Deep Wave, and if I didn't, I'm going to put the correct texture that I got like down below and across the screen. So yeah, let's get into this unboxing. So the hair came to me shipped through FedEx. It came today actually. I ordered it last Thursday, so it took exactly a week to get to me. It did take them a while to ship it out, so I'm not sure what that was about, but yeah. This is what the bag looks like that it came in. It says Gem Beauty Hair, or no, it just says Gem. Always here for you. H-A-I-R. Cute little bag. It's not satin. It feels like a cheap plastic material, and it has like these cute little drawstrings. Taking out the hair. Let me make sure I have my 3 bundles in here to make sure. Okay, I see all 3 bundles, and then they gave me this little card. It says follow us in store equals VIP member equals $5 coupon. So I guess if you follow them, they'll give you $5 in a coupon. And if you post a review within 24 hours of you receiving your hair, giving them 5 stars, and it says you have to give 5 pictures. I've never seen that before. I guess they'll give you $10 either in a refund or maybe a $10 coupon. And then they have a WhatsApp and iMessage number down below. It says if you're unsatisfied, if you don't love the hair, please contact us first before disputing or negative feedback. We will solve all problems and make you satisfied in 24 hours. Thanks. And then they have this little QR code. These are all 3 bundles. They are in 14-inch, 14, 14, 14. I'm going to take them out to see how it looks. I'm just going to take one out. And I'm going to take all 3 out, just to inspect. This is Deep Wave hair, I believe, again. Kind of looks like a, was it loose wave? The texture is like straight up the pack. It looks Deep Wave. I could have sworn I ordered curly hair though. I'm gonna have to go look, because I want to like something a little bit curlier and tighter. Well, this is the first bundle. I have about 3-4 strands that are coming out. The hair feels soft. A couple more came out. The hair smells pretty decent. Doesn't have like a corn chip smell, smelling like Frito-Lays and whatnot. And this is the bundle size of the first bundle. I'm receiving shedding from the second bundle as well. Not a lot, just a little. It's probably going to be even more once I fully unwrap the bundles. Third bundle, same thing. Then, let me move my hair. This is the length. If you like stretch it out, on me would come to like about my boob area. Then curly is going to come up maybe about here. The hair I have in right now is 20 inches. If I stretch this out, this is down here. Then if I stretch this out, it's up here. The bundles seem pretty full, all 3 bundles. I think I'm going to have more than enough hair. I will be doing a sew-in. I currently have a sew-in right now, but I want to try out some new hair and then do my hair like shorter, just to see how it would turn out. The bundles definitely, I know I'm going to have more than enough. I'm definitely used to bundles, and these probably will end up using about 2.5. I'm going to double the first 2 bundles, and then the top one I'm going to do like single weft, so it can be flat at the top. And yeah, this was my unboxing for Gem Beauty's hair. I got 3 bundles of their Deep Wave or curly texture, whichever one I purchased. This hair was about $50, including tax. Shipping was free. It shipped through FedEx. I believe they also have an option for USPS, and I think that's like 4 to 7 days or 5 to 8 days. I'm not sure if those are regular days or just business days, but yeah, got mine in about a week. So far the hair seems like it's gonna be decent. I will be bleaching this hair, and I'll be making a video showing you guys how like I style it and sew it in and all of that. So yeah, if you guys tried out Gem Beauty before, tell me guys what you think about the hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.